The neck muscles are the sternohyoid muscle and the sternomastoid muscle. The superficial chest muscles are the pectoantebrachialis, pectoralis major, and the pectoralis minor, and the xiphi humerales. The deep chest wall muscles are the scalenus, the serratus ventralis, and the subscapularis. The superficial back muscles are the latissimus dorsi, the spinotrapezius, the acromiotrapezius, and the clavotrapezius. The deep muscles of the back are the supraspinatus, the infraspinatus, the splenius capitis, the rhomboideus muscle, and the teres major. The shoulder muscles are the spinodeltoid, the acromiodeltoid, and the clavodeltoid. The forelimb or the arm muscles that you need to know on the lateral side of the triceps. This is the lateral head of the tricep and the long head of the tricep. Turning the cat over, you can see the epitrochlearis, and when you reflect that, you can see the long head of the tricep and the medial head of the tricep and the bicep brachialis. The hip muscles are the caudofemoralis, the gluteus medius, and the gluteus maximus. Large muscle is the biceps femoris. On the medial surface of the hind leg is the sartorius muscle and the gracilis muscle. Looking posteriorly, there's the semimembranosus and the semitendinosus. If you reflect the sartorius and the gracilis muscle, you see the quadriceps muscle, the vastus lateralis, the vastus medialis, and the rectus femoris, as well as the adductor femoris, the semimembranosus, and the semitendinosus. Structures of the lower leg are the tibialis anterior, the large calf muscle, the gastrocnemius, and the Achilles tendon.